Hoping to run Android apps on your PC? This quick and safe guide will show you how to install BlueStacks properly and legally. First, you have to go to the official BlueStacks website. Open your browser and visit www.bluestacks.com. Only download from this site to make sure the file is secure, legal, and virus-free. Next, download the installer. On the homepage, click the Download BlueStacks button. This site automatically picks the best version for your PC's operating system. Then you're going to run the setup file. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. This will start the installation setup. Step 4. Install BlueStacks. Accept the license agreement, then pick an install location if asked. Hit install and let the installer run. Wait for it to finish since it may take a few minutes. Finally, open and set up BlueStacks. After it installs, open BlueStacks from your desktop or Start menu. Log in with your Google account to access the Play Store and start downloading Android apps. Safety and legal tips: only download from the official site. Avoid cracked or unofficial versions. And a quick disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. You're now all set to run Android apps on your PC using BlueStacks the right way. Safe, secure, and fully compliant with the latest rules. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.